Plan to visit India for dental implants? Welcome to International Implant Master, Chandigarh. Dental implant treatment is complicated. Inaccurate treatment wastes a lot of time and money. We have the perfect solution. Instead of wasting 3 to 4 months for implant, just get same-day implant and teeth with advanced implant technology and save your time. Your entire implant journey is digital. Get peace of mind. Use our digital implant treatment, the safest, quickest and most accurate. We'll do immediate teeth removal and will give you implant and teeth within a day. Patient can start chewing from second or third day. No incision, cut, no suture, stitches, possible in less bone available patients and possible in BP sugar patients also. Get same-day implant and same-day teeth. Just at International Implant Master Center. Book your appointment now.